Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets A to Z. Its class name. Yellow color, yellow color. Green color, green color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Red color, red color. Black color, black color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane. And use yellow color, yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cat, C for car. Kids again use yellow color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. And use green color. Kids again use green color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. G. G for goat, G for glass. Kids now draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. And use blue color, blue color. I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids again use blue color and draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K. K for kite, K for king. Kids now draw L. L for lion. And use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw M. M for moon. Kids now draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. And use red color, red color. Kids again use red color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q. Q for queen. Kids again use red color and draw R. R for rose, R for rice. Kids now draw S. S for sun, S for snake. And use black color, black color. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids again use black color and draw U. U for umbrella. Kids now draw V. V for van, V for vanilla. And use yellow color, yellow color. W. W for wolf. Kids again use yellow color and draw X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Kids again use yellow color and draw Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.